Guys from Chicago took off going to Mardi Gras in 1955. They got down to New Orleans on Bourbon Street, get off their bikes and turned and looked at each other and said, "Where the fuck are we?" And that's where.
And that's what it means.
Yeah.
I mispronounced it. How did you get involved?
In 1978, I got divorced.
Best money you ever spent?
First thing I did was buy a motorcycle.
There you go.
And it's about 79, I started hanging around with the Pagawis, and the rest is history.
Can I take a shot of your patch in the back? Home of the crab and pies, cakes and pies. I like cakes and pies. All right, look at this place, nice.
Hey!
What's up? Say hello.
Hey! Hey!
Here, touch these fingers.
Hey! You're cold?
They're frozen.
Happy now? Where'd y'all come from?
I came from Fort Lauderdale.
Where did you come from?
Panama City Beach.
I met up with him, so we're going to this thing.
My husband and I are Southern Cruisers, but we live here. We'll be up
Okay.
there tomorrow. We're Southern Cruisers.
Oh, you said Southern Cruiser. I thought like the cruise lines, like in
No,
Fort
we're-
Lauderdale, where
no,
I'm from.
We're Southern Cruiser Riding Club.
Oh, okay, awesome, awesome. So here we got some raw oysters. John just teared up all that poor shrimp.
Some shrimp ain't got shit on me.
What I like about these little country places, you go up here in Alabama, northern Florida, they treat you good. Check this out. You got your steak, you got your bread, sweet potato, and pull and peel shrimp, raw oysters, fried oysters, and a hungry Howie.
Travel on, you know. We do the Hoka Hey, which is every other year now. So in 2024, we'll be starting at Daytona, going to Key West all the way to Homer, Alaska.
10,000 miles,
10,000 miles.
and no hotels. You got to sleep next to your bike.
All secondary roads, no indoor accommodations, no GPS. It's all turn-by-turn directions. So when you start in the morning, you get your first set of directions. That'll take you to the next checkpoint. Then you'll get your next, and it's turn by turn. It says go.
In Bay Minette, we have the best food. Breakfast buffet, dinner buffet, and then in the afternoon we have a real good buffet. And you can order anything off the menu you like.
Now, how long has this been here?
36 years.
Now, the place we're going to is called the Stagecoach.
Stagecoach.
It's all in the family.
Yeah, that's his sister.
His sister.
That has Aunt Joyce.
Does the gentleman that owned this place, does he ride motorcycles?
No,
He don't?
no.
What's wrong with him?
Well, he was in Vietnam.
Oh,
He lost his leg there.
oh, I'm sorry to hear
But
that.
he's doing real good. He's had a lot of problems in the past, but he's doing good now.
Well, God bless him.
Yes. He's a real good boss.
Well, tell him there's a boy from Fort Lauderdale here that wishes him welcome back.
Yeah.
And what was your name?
Carolyn Harrison. I live in Stockton. I live right down from the Stagecoach.
Oh, all right, we're going there now.
Okay, y'all gonna have a good lunch there today.
Well, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate you. God bless you.
Thank you.
All right.
1960s. 1960s. Moto Guzzi, right? Yeah, I saw it out there. You've been here a bunch of times too. Tell me your name again. Mike Porter. Yeah, Mike's been here a lot. All right. Where did I leave off? 60s. 50s. Anything from the 50s? And the 40s. That's this one. 42. Awesome. Come on. Anything from the 30s? I didn't see anything older than the 42, but I could have missed something. Anything older than 42? Okay. Ronnie Cox on a 42 Harley.